Welcome to the final part of the 10th episode. So, happy birthday! Happy birthday! DeviantArt!
Yeah.
Okay, we're done with the cake.
We're done and it looks cool.
Yeah, the little fella came out pretty cool. So,
It's kind of heavy though. So.
yeah, it's not gonna last very long. So we gotta show you before he falls.
Woo! Ta-da! I think it came out really, really cool.
Awesome, very awesome.
Really cool.
William Emoticon balls.
Woohoo!
And I'm gonna show you the back. And let's see, his little cake fell. So he's technically supposed to be sitting up like that high, but he likes to be leaning on us.
He's just chilling.
So
Yes. So we've done it. Our first 2-tier cake. Success.
Fella, can you hold him?
Yep.
Fella was made by Jeff. And the hat and the DA logos were made by Addie. Cake, if it was there. See a little cake. And the 2 candles represents 11, of course. And that was made by me.
And then we did the little faces.
Yeah, and then this was both done by me and Addie. So that is the birthday cake.
Woo! Happy birthday, DA.
Definitely happy birthday. Alright. Now, I guess it's goodbye until Addie's birthday.
I won't be here for that one.
I believe it's going to be me and Jeff. Maybe
Mama.
So, until then, see ya. Bye.